Whew, it's hot in here. So hello everyone, welcome back. And in today's video I'll be doing another beauty vlog. So we're gonna try this product for today's video. So this is the Maybelline Dream Baby Fresh, and I got the 110 light medium sheer tint. So I do believe this is the BB cream. So for today's video, we're gonna try it onto our face and we'll see what it's look like to our face. And probably I'm trying to catch the sunlight outside. So it is 1:32 in the afternoon, so I'm trying to catch the sunlight. So we're gonna see what it's look like into our face in daylight lightning. So this is we're gonna try on for today's video, and yeah, we'll see what's gonna look like to our face. So this is the Maybelline New York Dream BB Cream Fresh 8-in-1 Beauty Balm Skin Protector, and it says in the shade 110 light medium sheer tint. And let's go ahead for the benefits. It says 8 benefits in 1 for good skin day every day. So 1 is blur imperfection, and 2nd enhances, and 3rd brightens, 4th adjusts to skin tone, 5th smoothes your skin, 6th dehydrates your skin, 7 help protect with SPF 30, and 8 0% oil and other heavy ingredients. So it says shake well before we're gonna use it to our face. So yay, I'm excited. We're gonna see how what's it's look like outside during the daylight. So I'm trying to catch the sun. Okay, let's go up close to the camera. My chair is squeaky, so let's go ahead and apply it to our face. I'm just gonna put a little bit here. The good thing for BB cream, because I do have a couple BB cream that I've been using sometimes, and BB cream is like, it's not too heavy in your face. It's just look like your skin. That's why I love BB cream. It doesn't look like too much foundation or going on onto your face. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to our face. This is what it look like, guys. What shade is it? Light medium. We'll see if this shade is matches my skin. So I'm just gonna apply it to my other side of my face and start blending it. So those, oh my god. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it with the beauty blender. I love BB cream because I like when I start applying it to my face, it just look like my skin. So I love those coverage effect. So we're gonna go outside after we're done putting it to our face. We're gonna go outside and we'll see how it's look like outside. So guys, ignore my pimples. That's part of my life. It doesn't go away. But now I've been using those products. I noticed that my pimples is getting better. Even my coworker, my friends notice it. Even I do have makeup on. They notice that my face is getting better. So yay. So this is what it look like when I apply first layer. It's really just your skin tone. So that's what it look like. And see the other side, no BB cream yet. And this is and the other side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and have fun, and I'm gonna apply second layer onto this side. We'll see this BB cream, what's it look like when we and try another layer onto our face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it again one more time. That, and I'm gonna go ahead and start blending it again. So okay, we're done with applying the second layer. So this is what it's look like to our face. In the camera, it doesn't look like too much going on to my face. Even in the mirror, it's just look like my skin. So that's the good thing about the BB cream. It's really nice because it's look like just your skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other side of my face. This is what it look like in the side. It doesn't cover all my pimples and acne. It doesn't matter. So the only thing we're gonna try onto this excuse me, in today's video, like how it cover to our skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting another. So this is what it's look like onto skin, like that. I don't know it matches my skin, but I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to my other side of my face. Gives those healthy glowy skin. So yay, I love BB cream. So I'm gonna add more product because I haven't put this side yet. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and put another layer on the other side there, and just start blending it. See, and you know what, just for fun, we're gonna put a lot. We'll see what's gonna look like this BB cream. Oops, I just hit the lights. We'll see what's gonna look like outside during the daytime, because it's hard to tell in your doing sit down video and using the lights, a lot of lights going on, so it's gonna be hard to tell. So we're gonna test it outside and we'll see what's this look like to our skin. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start blending it my entire face, and we'll see. So okay, done blending it to my face. So this is what it's look like to our face. That I like how it covered to my face. It's really natural skin tone that give those glowy skin looking. So that's what it look like to our face. Ignore my pimples. That's part of the my life. Doesn't go away. I think this is gonna be stay forever to my face, but this is what it look like to our face after applying those Maybelline Dream VV Fresh. So we're gonna try it outside, what's look like outside, but for now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. Probably I'm gonna do time lapse so that it's save time. So yeah. So okay, done with our eyebrows. So I see this Cover Fix eyeshadow cream ba yung tawag dito? So I haven't used it yet, so this is what it's look like. So this is what we're gonna apply to our eyelids to complete our makeup look for today's video. So this is, what colors it look like? Purple or something. This one look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to our eyelid. Hopefully it's not sticky. It's purple. It's so shiny. Oh, that's funny. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? This is good because I don't know how to do eyeshadow. You're just gonna put it all over your eyelid, and you're good. Since you start putting it to your skin, it's like sticky, but when you like start blending it to your eyelid, it's not sticky at all. It's not sticky at all. So that's what I'm gonna put it like there, just to complete our makeup look for today's vlog, or for today's vlog or videos. So ooh, kind of messy, so that's good enough. So I'm not gonna do crazy, so I'm just gonna do my wing liner a little bit. Hopefully I'm gonna do it easy. So I'm gonna go start applying it to my wing liner, guys. It's messy. Look at that, guys. I just cleaned the tip. Oh, that's scary to me. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. I think I'm good enough like that. Simple. Maybe that's good enough. Yeah, I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna go ahead to the other side. It's look like I'm running out of gel liner, liquid eyeliner. Yeah, I'm running out of the ink. So that's how I get of the product. So I'm gonna go ahead do it real quick off the camera to complete our entire look, and I'll be right back. Okay, next I'm gonna use this pure bronze all over my edges of my face so that my face doesn't look like flat. So I love using bronze to put it here. You can see the difference, guys. This is awesome bronze though. Sometimes I use it like a blush. So I want to see you guys how it's look like to your. I'm gonna show you what it's look like to my cheeks. That's what's it look like. See those glossy shine? This is really good bronze. And look at the other side and this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the side too. Just gonna put it all over my side, and also this one too. So look like it add those shape in your face. See the different, guys? so my BB cream doesn't look like white anymore, because these bronze help give shape in your face. So that's good enough. Let's see how it's the different, guys, on my forehead, and then this side, and then this side too. So that's what it's look like. So I add here too, here in the jaw, and also in the other side, that, and also here my nose, and also this one. So let's see the difference, guys. Now my face more what do you call this, my shape now is not flat anymore because of these bronze. I just put it on my forehead, this side, and jaw, and my nose line, so it doesn't look like my face is white at all. So yeah, this is really nice bronze. Instead of using those contour bronze, I think this one is good to use like a contour too. That's why I'm using all the time to set my foundation. So now we're gonna do lipstick real quick. So I'm gonna using this favorite lipstick, Ramil London. So I do have videos about this. If you haven't watched it yet, go ahead, feel free to watch my swatch about this nice lipstick. I love this lipstick. So I'm just gonna go ahead, apply it to my lips. Okay, so I'm in the backyard. So this is what it's look like, the BB cream in the natural lighting outside. So that's what it look like. It's just like really your skin, not heavy in your face. So oh, it's getting cold, it's windy outside. So yeah, that's what it's look like, the BB cream in the daylight. So you don't see that. Let's look like. So it's a good BB cream. It doesn't look like heavy into your face. By the way, guys, I do have a second YouTube channel. So if you want to see more of me doing random videos, so I'm gonna put this side my second YouTube channel if you want to see more of me doing random videos. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye everyone.